Alright guys, I have here the NutriBullet juicer guys. So gonna try this one guys. We'll open it guys. Have here the recipe manual. And the user guide manual guys. So for the cleaning guys, for the juicer, gonna clean that. Then we will gonna the juicer guys. There's the juicer. Okay. There's the juicer guys. Here we go. The juicer guys. I have here the lid for the juice cup. One. And I'm gonna check it guys. So here's the cup guys. For the juice. Okay. And we're gonna remove the filter guys. Okay, there we go. And then how to remove this one guys. It's very easy guys. Just keep it up. Okay, it's already removed guys. That's the how to remove it guys. Put it back guys. Just push it down. Okay, okay, put it back guys, and then lock it. Okay, so guys, we will try this juicer guys. We'll make a review for this NutriBullet juicer guys. So guys, there's my juicer guys. How to remove this one guys, just click this one to the left and then you can remove this one guys, this one, the cover. Already remove the cover. This one guys, how to remove this blade, just flip it up. Okay, and then this one guys is gonna remove. So you put it back. Then put the blade back. Okay, so put the cover back. That's it. So guys, we will try our juicer. I'm gonna try the NutriBullet juicer guys. So I have here the vegetable guys, the celery, the carrot, the cucumber, the broccoli. I have here the apple, ginger, and garlic. So I'm gonna cut it guys and put it on our NutriBullet juicer guys. So we will try our new NutriBullet juicer. So guys, we will start drying our vegetable guys. First this one guys, broccoli. Put it on low guys. Broccoli, then kale. Celery guys. Put our watermelon guys. And cucumber guys. Our ginger. Garlic guys. And put our carrots guys. Carrots. And another our watermelon. apple. Last guys, our strawberry. So we're done guys with our juice guys. Here, we try it guys. Let's see. Wow, so good guys. Wow. That's our juice guys. Wow, so good. Wow. So guys, that's my juice for today guys. My review guys is so fine, so good. The taste of my juice guys is so good guys. So far the performance of the NutriBullet juicer guys are